Good afternoon. Welcome to our first module on Capa, corrective action and preventive action. This module comprises, I believe, 5 concepts that you need to get, and I'm going to repeat them slowly so we develop these concepts as we go along. The first concept the first thing we need to look at is the terminology used along with the Capa process or Capa quality subsystem. Okay, the first thing you're gonna have to learn is that the acronym Capa stands for corrective action and preventive action. So CA for corrective action, PA for preventive action. Now, to understand a Capa subsystem, and it is a subsystem, you have to understand the quality management system. Now, you hear people saying our quality system this, our quality system that. They don't even understand what they're talking about. Now, for you to understand Capa, you have to understand what a quality management system. And by definition, this is ISO 9001, I believe, ISO 9001, yeah, definitions. When you say quality management system, you are referring to 5 things. The first thing you're talking about is processes that you have in your company. The second thing you're talking about is the procedures you have in your company. The third thing is the infrastructure you have in your company. The fourth is the organization, that is the structure, that is organizational chart. And the last one is the roles and responsibilities. So when you say quality management system, those are the 5 things you are referring to. Okay, I'm going to repeat them one more time. First one is your processes. The second one is the documents. The third one is the infrastructure, that is IT systems like computers. The fourth one is the roles and responsibilities. And the fifth one is organizational chart. You need to know why you are hired by a company. That way you can do what you went there to do, or what they're paying you for on a daily, on a monthly basis or weekly basis. That's to stop people performing other people's jobs. And that happens a lot out there, rather. You find people doing other people's jobs instead of doing their own jobs. That's because they don't know what the job description is. Okay? So the job description is part of the quality system. Now, in the quality system are subsystems. Okay? And I'm going to say just a few of those. I'm going to tell you just a few of those. One of those subsystems is document management subsystem. The second one is Capa, of course, Capa subsystem. The third one is change control subsystem. Okay. If you are in medical device, of course, there's a design control subsystem, that kind of thing. And then if you are in pharma, there's the packaging subsystem, packaging and labeling subsystem. So those are subsystems within a quality management system. So if you took all your documents, if you took all your computers, if you took all your job descriptions, if you took the organizational chart, all those are what is called the quality management system. Okay? And in there, those things can be lumped into subsystems. Okay? And one of those subsystems is a Capa subsystem. Now, Capa, like I said, it's corrective action, preventive action. Now, the role of a Capa subsystem is this: continuous quality improvement. If there's one thing you get out of this module, is that Capa is a continuous quality improvement subsystem. Okay? Change control is a different subsystem, it has its own job. But Capa is a continuous quality improvement subsystem. And Capa operates on 2 dynamics. There's the preventive side of Capa and there's the corrective side of Capa. So you prevent things from going wrong so you don't have to act on them when they go wrong. Okay? Preventive action should happen so that corrective action does not have to happen. Okay, preventive action is based on two things: the risk of something going wrong and adverse trends. We are seeing a trend developing here. The trajectory is in the wrong direction. So you say, okay, let's stop and look at this and stop something from completely going out of work. Now we are reacting on things. Now we have shipped a product that does not meet specifications. Now we have to find out what went wrong. That's corrective action. Okay? So there's preventive action and corrective action in Capa. Now, hopefully now you understand the difference between the two. Preventive action is before the fact. Corrective action is after the fact. Things have gone wrong, now we're reacting on them. We're reacting to them. That's corrective action. Preventive action is if we don't do something on this adverse trend or this high risk, something is going to go wrong, and it's just a bomb waiting to happen. That's preventive action. Okay? Now, the other terminology that come with this, there is containment, which is correction. When something goes wrong and you say, okay, we're gonna stop shipment. Shipment, that is containment. Recall, that's containment. Quarantine, that's containment. Also called correction. So correction equals to containment, containing a situation so it does not get out of work. Okay, that is correction. So by now you should know the difference between correction, preventive action, corrective action. You should also know what Capa is. You should also know what a quality management system is. Okay? Now, two more words I need to throw at you is deviation and non-conformance. Deviation means not following your own procedure or not following set standards. That's the deviation. Non-conformance or non-conformity means not meeting specifications. If you are doing an analysis in a lab and the spec says 15 milligrams per liter and you are getting 12 milligrams per liter, that is non-conformity. Okay? The results of that test is non-conformity. Okay? So you will write a non-conformance and you will investigate that non-conformance. You can't say it's a deviation. It is not a deviation. You followed every procedure that it is in that lab, only that the end result does not meet the specification. So that's a non-conformance. Okay? So non-conformance and deviation are two different things. Non-conformance, not meeting specifications. Deviation, not following set procedure. I hope that clears the air and that prepares you for the next module in Capa. Thank you. See you next module.